Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your skillet, and then we're going to add our sun-dried tomatoes and about 2.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, or if you have 3 garlic cloves, you can add that. So we're going to get that so it's fragrant. We're going to saute this for about a minute. I removed the sun-dried tomatoes and set them aside, and I'm going to go ahead and add and cook the chicken. I'm going to also salt the chicken and add paprika for color and flavor. So flip every couple minutes till these are pretty much cooked, and then we'll be adding the sun-dried tomatoes in. The chicken is almost cooked, and you can slice the chicken if you want, and then I went ahead and added in the sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to cook those a little bit longer as the chicken finishes up here. Adding 1 cup shredded mozzarella and 1 cup half and half, and we're going to bring this to a boil. So once it comes to a boil, reduce just to a very light simmer. It's going to be real thick, so you can use that reserved pasta water to thin out the sauce. But just add a little at a time to your preference. So I added some of that reserved pasta water in to help thin out this sauce. Again, if you need more sauce, you could always double up the half and half and mozzarella cheese. So I went ahead and added about 1/4 teaspoon of basil, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, but you can add to your liking the amount. And then now that this is all creamy, I'm going to go ahead and add in the pasta noodles. So combining it all together, again, taste it as you're cooking, and then you can add more salt as needed.